Exploring the Wonders of the Hubble Telescope. Introduction. Welcome back, space enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, the incredible Hubble Telescope. In this 20-minute video, we'll dive into the captivating history, groundbreaking discoveries, and mind-boggling images captured by this marvel of technology. So, let's embark on our cosmic journey together. The birth of Hubble. The Hubble Space Telescope was launched into space on April 24, 1990, and has been providing us with awe-inspiring views of the universe ever since. It's named after the famous astronomer Edwin Hubble, who revolutionized our understanding of the cosmos. This telescope orbits Earth, capturing stunning images beyond our wildest imagination. One of the Hubble's greatest strengths is its ability to capture images with incredible precision. It's equipped with a primary mirror measuring 2.4 meters in diameter, allowing it to observe celestial objects with astonishing clarity. Hubble's instruments, including cameras and spectrographs, work together to collect valuable data, which scientists use to unravel the mysteries of the universe. In this segment, we'll explore the technology that makes Hubble such a powerful instrument for space exploration. Segment 3. Unveiling the Universe. Over the years, Hubble has unveiled countless wonders of the cosmos. Its observations have led to groundbreaking discoveries, such as determining the age of the universe and the existence of dark energy. We've witnessed mesmerizing images of distant galaxies, stunning nebulae, and even the birth and death of stars. In this segment, we'll take a deep dive into some of the most remarkable discoveries made by the Hubble telescope and how they've revolutionized our understanding of the universe. Segment 4. Iconic Images. The Hubble has gifted us with some of the most iconic images in the history of astronomy. From the dazzling Pillars of Creation in the Eagle Nebula to the stunning Hubble Deep Field, capturing galaxies billions of light-years away, these images have captured the public's imagination and inspired a sense of wonder about the vastness of space. In this segment, we'll explore some of the most iconic images captured by the Hubble telescope and how they've impacted our understanding of the universe. Segment 5. Maintenance and Upgrades. Maintaining the Hubble telescope is no easy task. Over the years, astronauts have embarked on several daring space missions to service and upgrade the telescope. These missions have extended the Hubble's lifespan and enhanced its capabilities, ensuring that it continues to revolutionize our understanding of the universe. In this segment, we'll explore the challenges of maintaining and upgrading the Hubble telescope and how scientists have overcome them to keep this marvel of technology operational. Conclusion. As we wrap up our cosmic journey through the wonders of the Hubble telescope, let's take a moment to appreciate the immense contributions this remarkable instrument has made to our understanding of the universe. From breathtaking images to scientific breakthroughs, the Hubble has inspired generations of scientists and captured the imagination of the world. So, let's continue to explore the universe together, fueled by the remarkable legacy of the Hubble telescope. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating space content. Until next time, keep looking up,